Hi, it was so good to see everybody today, and we will do that every week on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the morning and the afternoon to see each other, to chat, and to learn and play together. One of the options in the Packet Plus document that I sent you all was to go for a walk and to look for your favorite flowers. Carsey and I went for a walk this afternoon, my puppy, and a flower that we see a lot in the fields in our neighborhood are called buttercups. These are buttercups. Are they big flowers or little flowers? They're pretty little. They're like wildflowers that grow in a field. Not anybody's yard. They were in the field where we were out walking and playing together. So I took some to show you and to see what we can do with them. So let's take a look at these. That's what it looks like. There's one of them. Oh, I have an idea. How many petals does it have on it? Let me set the rest down. The petals are on the flowers. Oops, let me show you here. These are the petals on the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 5 petals. I wonder, do they all have 5 petals? Let's see. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 5 petals too. Let's check one more. Let's see here. Let's see if this one has 5 petals on it. Can you tell just by looking? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They do. They all have 5 petals. Now, let's see how many Carsey and I got together. An easy way to count is to put it in a straight line. Let's line them up and let's count. All right, that makes it easy to touch each one as we're counting. There they are. I have more here. Let's see, how many buttercups did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 buttercups. Can you see all that there? 10. Can you show 10 on your fingers? Let's see it. It looks like this. It's easy peasy. 10. 10 buttercups, right? Let's take a look at the rest of the flower. We counted how many petals there are on the top of it. What's this straight green part right here? Do you remember from the daffodils what we learned that was called? The straight green part here, where it grows out of the ground. That's the stem. And some flowers on the stem, they have this part. What's that? That's the leaf. Can you think of another plant that might have leaves on it too? Maybe we can talk about that together tomorrow. All right, that's that one. Let's take a look at another one. This one is a little bit different. Okay, it has the stem and leaves, but it has something else we learned about with the daffodils. What do you see right there? Do you remember what we called that? That's the bud, a bud of a flower. Does it come before or after it blooms? It comes before. So that one is going to bloom next. All right. Now, I'm thinking I want to label this flower. Flower. What letter might it start with? Let's get get out something I can write with. A marker works. I use a green one because the stem makes me think of green. All right. Flower. Like Faria. It starts with the letter F. I'm going to write it there. Let me move it over so you can see. There's the letter F I wrote. Okay. Here. Why don't I move it so you can see my letter F? F for flower. Now let's write the rest of it. Flower. Flower. These are buttercups. We could even write buttercups as well. Buttercups. Like Bayron. What letter might that start with? Buttercup. You know? Let's write it. I'll write it first. What letter do you see there? That's the letter B. Let's write the whole word. Buttercups. All right. We wrote two words. Flower and buttercups. How many did we count? Do you remember? There were 10. 10 buttercups. The number 10. Maybe we can draw all 10 of them. What colors should I use? Definitely green. What about for the petals? Maybe green for the stem, and for the petals we use, let's see. What color is that one? Yellow. One of my favorite colors. All right, so let's draw. How many are we drawing? 10. I think my plan, I'll draw the 10 stems first. 10 stems first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on the stems it had, what part? Leaves. All right, so let's draw some leaves on there. Leaves. And each one had a little bit different. So we'll draw those leaves on all 10 of them. And then one had something special. It sounded a little bit like bud. It's the part that comes before the flower. So let's draw the bud on one of them. There it is. There's the flower bud. Now what do we need to draw next? Close marker. Did you hear it click? I did. Next we'll draw the flowers, the petals. All right, so our marker is open. And remember, the petals had the flowers had how many petals? How many is that? 5. Here we go. All right, that was 4 so far. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we drew all of our buttercups that we found in a field. Okay. Oh, wait. Did you hear it click? I did. Let's check out our work today. We went for a walk and we collected some of our favorite flowers that we found in a field, not a yard. We wrote the word flower that starts with the letter F. We wrote the word buttercups that starts with the letter B. All right. We counted 10 flowers in one straight line. And then we drew each one to look real. If you find some favorite flowers in your neighborhood, maybe you can send a picture of the flower, or you can draw it at home. Important thing to remember though, is if it's somebody's flowers, don't bring them home. Only if they're not anybody's and they're in a field or something like that, like the buttercups. All right? We love our world. See you tomorrow.